Hey, thanks for joining me in an in-depth overview of our new website. We've implemented a lot of new and exciting features to help our customers browse through all of our different cultivars of plants. One way to browse through our selections of plants is on our homepage. If you scroll down a bit, you can see all of our different types of plants that we offer. I'm going to select maples. Now our website is showing you all of our available Japanese maples. You may filter this list of cultivars by utilizing our filters on the left-hand side, which we'll get into shortly. Another way to navigate all of our different cultivars is via clicking our catalog located on the top navigation bar of our website. Once here, you'll have a long list of all of the available plants on our website. You'll notice on the left-hand side of your screen, filters. You may use these to filter our plants and find the exact cultivar that fits your needs. For this example, I'm going to select Japanese maple under the type filter. Now our website is showing you all of our available Japanese maples. I also want to find one that has a weeping habit and that is also a lace leaf. So to do this, I'll click on Habit and select Weeping. Next, I'll expand the Features filter and select Lace Leaf. Now the list of plants shown on our website is showing all of our Japanese maples that have a weeping habit and that is also a lace leaf. I personally like how Orangeola looks, so I'm going to purchase that one. I live locally to Western North Carolina, and I'd like to schedule a pickup instead of having MrMaple ship me my Orangeola. While I'm at the checkout screen, fill in all of your information and click Continue to Shipping. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, located the box Gift Card or Discount Code, simply enter the discount code Do Not Ship and click Apply. Please note that Do Not Ship will be in all caps and all one word. Verify that the discount code is active. It should be underneath the box you just typed with a tag icon next to it, and the shipping should say free. Next, click on Continue to Payment and select your payment method and billing information. Click Pay Now. Once you've done this, you should receive an order confirmation email with the plant you just purchased. If you'd like to schedule a pickup now, you can call our office at 828-226-5684 or email us at MrMapleQuestions with an S at gmail.com and ask for Jody or Caprice to schedule this for you. If you're going to purchase more plants and would like to combine several orders, simply add the Do Not Ship discount code to all of your orders while at checkout. And then call our office or email us at MrMapleQuestions@gmail.com and request that your orders are to be combined prior to shipping. We will calculate the shipping costs and send you an invoice to pay this prior to shipping. Many of our customers do this to save on shipping costs. Also, if you didn't apply the discount code at checkout on a few of your orders, don't worry, simply call us and we'll refund or charge the correct shipping amount accordingly. But be sure to let us know quickly or else the orders you placed without the discount code may be shipped out. If you only have one order with multiple plants, there's no need to do this. We will always try our best to select the correct box for your order to ensure you save as much money as possible on shipping. We designed our Easy Shop feature to assist with purchasing plants specifically from mobile devices. So let's jump into it. To start, let's click on Easy Shop on the navigation bar located at the top of our website. Once here, you can either select Shop Japanese Maples or Shop Azaleas and Rhododendron, depending on what you'd like to look for. For this example, I'm interested in browsing through our azaleas. So I'll click on Shop Azaleas and Rhododendron and then Shop Azaleas. Once here, you may select between evergreen azaleas or deciduous azaleas. I'm going to pick evergreen. I'm interested in specifically a pink evergreen azalea, so I'll select pink under the Shop by Color. You may also shop by group, which includes all of the different hybrids. Now I can select the exact cultivar of pink azalea I'd like to check out, and personally, I like the Gwenda cultivar. It's Tuesday, and it's almost 10 in the morning. What's 10 at 10 a.m.? You're just in time to shop our weekly sale that we offer. Every Tuesday at 10 a.m., we post 10 new and interesting plants to our 10 at 10 a.m. collection. To shop this sale, simply scroll down on the homepage and select New Weekly Selection. Once 10 a.m. hits, refresh your page to gain access to the new plants. But be sure to shop quickly. These plants are typically sold out within minutes. Good luck! I hope this guide helps you browse and effectively navigate our new website. We have thousands of cultivars to choose from. Be sure to sign up to our weekly newsletter by clicking Email Sign Up on the navigation bar. Doing so will give you early knowledge on what plants to expect on our 10 at 10 and Fun Flower Friday sales each week. If you're ever in need of some gardening content, we'd love to have you over on our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/MrMaple Show. We provide a plethora of videos each week and even host a fun and exciting podcast. I hope to see you guys there. Take care and have a great day.